Hello guys and welcome back to Ominous Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing guys how to fix the Roblox error code 266. Your connection has timed out, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and find Roblox on your desktop right here, and if it's not on the home page, what you can do is you can simply just open up the Windows search bar and just type in Roblox, and you can just follow the steps from there. But anyways, once you do find Roblox, go ahead and hit right click on your mouse, go to properties, and then from properties you want to select the compatibility tab, and then from here you basically want to click on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then you will also want to click on run this program as an administrator. And once you go ahead and do that, you can hit apply and then hit OK, and you can now open up Roblox, and you should notice that the issue has been fixed. And another thing I do recommend doing is simply just restart your PC. Now, because once you do that, it's always to be on the safe side, just go ahead and restart your PC. Once you turn it back on, you should also notice the issue has been solved as well. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.